it's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out this latest drawing video on teaching you how to draw cartoons in 1, 2, 3 easy steps. Well, this one is going to be a stack of fun. If you like pancakes and breakfast food, I enjoy breakfast food all times of the day. Even for dinner at times we have it as a family. It's kind of fun, changing things up. Well, it's also my birthday, and I thought I'd be doing something a little silly and fun, and I wanted to do some pancakes, so pancakes it is. So, if you like pancakes, you can stack them as high as you want to and keep adding funny faces or whatever you want to add to them. Well, as you can see, I added some butter on one side, kind of melting, and a little strawberry on the other side. Just trying to be clever, should I say. Anyway, so if you are ready to do this fun lesson and you have your pencil and paper, let's begin. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Don't forget to stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.